Anthropic IPO, the AI company that could change Wall Street forever. Imagine getting the chance to invest in the future of artificial intelligence before it becomes the future. Not in OpenAI, not in Google, not in Microsoft, but in the company many believe could become one of the most important AI businesses on Earth. After years of explosive growth, Anthropic has officially begun the process of going public. And if expectations are correct, this could become one of the largest IPOs in modern history. But here's the real question. Is Anthropic the next great technology company? Or the biggest test yet of the AI boom? Chapter 1. The company born from doubt. Anthropic wasn't created to win the AI race. It was created because some researchers worried about where the race was heading. Founded in 2021 by former OpenAI researchers Dario Amodei and Daniela Amodei, Anthropic emerged with a different mission. While much of the industry focused on making AI more powerful, Anthropic focused on making AI safer. The company introduced an approach called constitutional AI. Instead of relying only on human feedback, AI systems would be trained around explicit principles and guardrails. The goal wasn't simply intelligence. The goal was trustworthy intelligence. And that difference would become Anthropic's biggest advantage. Chapter 2. Claude versus ChatGPT. Anthropic's flagship product is Claude, a family of large language models designed to compete directly with ChatGPT. Today, Claude is used by software developers, enterprises, financial institutions, and government organizations. Its strongest reputation may be in coding, research, and enterprise AI applications. As businesses rush to integrate artificial intelligence into everyday workflows, Claude quietly became one of the most important AI products in the market. Unlike many startups, Anthropic wasn't trying to attract attention. It was trying to earn trust. And investors noticed. Chapter 3. The money flood. The economics of AI are brutal. Training frontier AI models requires enormous amounts of computing power, specialized chips, data centers, and research talent. That means billions of dollars. Fortunately for Anthropic, some of the world's most powerful companies wanted a seat at the table. Major investors include Amazon and Google, alongside leading venture capital firms. As enthusiasm around artificial intelligence exploded, Anthropic's valuation surged. The company became one of the most valuable private technology firms in the world. And suddenly, Wall Street started asking a new question. When will Anthropic go public? Chapter 4. The IPO that could reshape AI investing. On the 1st of June 2026, Anthropic confidentially submitted a draft registration statement to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. This was the first major step toward an IPO. A confidential filing allows companies to work with regulators before publicly revealing financial information. At the moment, no official IPO date has been announced. Most analysts expect a public debut during the second half of 2026. When the company's S-1 filing eventually becomes public, investors will finally get answers to the questions everyone is asking. How profitable is Anthropic? How much is it spending on AI infrastructure? And perhaps most importantly, what is the company really worth? Chapter 5. The trillion-dollar question. Every great market boom eventually faces a test. For the AI industry, Anthropic may be that test. Supporters argue the company sits at the center of a once-in-a-generation technological revolution. Critics argue that AI valuations have reached levels that may be difficult to justify. The bullish case is simple. Massive market opportunity, rapid growth, strong enterprise demand, deep relationships with Amazon and Google. The bearish case is equally powerful. Intense competition, high operating costs, regulatory uncertainty, and the possibility that today's AI enthusiasm becomes tomorrow's bubble. The IPO won't simply measure demand for Anthropic. It may measure investor confidence in the entire AI industry. Number, final insight, 7-10-8. The story of Anthropic isn't really about an IPO. It's about a bigger battle. A battle between speed and safety, between growth and responsibility, between building the most powerful AI and building the most trusted AI. Because in the age of artificial intelligence, the winner may not be the company with the smartest model. It may be the company people trust the most. And if that's true, Anthropic's public debut could become one of the defining financial events of the decade. Subscribe to Company Casebook for Anthropic IPO, the AI company that could change Wall Street forever. Imagine getting the chance to invest in the future of artificial intelligence before it becomes the future. Not in OpenAI.